Hi, I'm Kat Weichsel from Pate Group, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a holiday video message inside of Stream on SharePoint. First, we're going to go into the new Stream on SharePoint. It should look like this. Click on New Recording. And this is going to try to detect a camera for me and a microphone to use. This looks different than even the last time I recorded. I think I did a video back in September showing the record options, and now they have changed and they have new features. So the menu is over here on the right. You can actually change out your recording and the microphone that it uses. So you can really play around with this. There are other options. You can record your screen, you can change your backdrop. These things have moved around since the last time we looked at this together. And then we have these other options over on the side. So go in, I'm not going to show all of these right now. Please go in and play around with this because it's a lot of fun. But I'm going to show you how you could do a nice quick season's greetings message. I'm going to change my frame and I'm going to look through for something. And this one, you can see if you hover over these, what the frame name is. I'm going to pick winter. And I have this nice little seasonal frame around my video. I also want to type a message, so I can actually add text right on here, and I can pick what kind of text. The personal looks like it's a little bit fun. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll just use this default. And then I'm going to move this around on screen. I'll put it right here. That should work. It's got enough of an outline that you can read it. You can obviously play around with the font, color, all of that. So I like the way that this looks, this frame, and I can just go ahead and start recording my message. So to do that, I just hit this big button here in the middle, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. It'll count me down. Happy holidays from Pate Group. And so I just kind of had a little bit of extra stuff in there. I can go ahead and click next. I hit stop to stop the video. Now I can click next to see what editing options I have. Happy holidays from Pate Group. All right, so as you can see, I want to probably trim this a little bit, and there's even this new option for adding music. They've really added some new features, and so I want to show you. I'm going to go ahead and get to maybe a good starting point where I'm looking up at the camera, and then maybe I want to cut out the last part where I'm talking, and I will trim this up to where I'm looking at the camera. From Pate Group. Let's try to watch the whole thing. Happy holidays from Pate Group. And maybe there's a little too much more of a pause there. Happy holidays from Pate Group. That's good enough. So now that I've finished trimming this, I'm going to confirm the trim. Happy holidays from Pate Group. Okay, so now that I've confirmed the trim, I have this add music option down here. And I can actually look through some free music options. I'm going to go to fun. Let's see what this sounds like. Let's see this. That sounds like it might be celebratory and fun, maybe at a holiday party. So I'm going to go ahead and click add. Happy holidays from Pate Group. And then I can tell that the volume is a little loud. It's at 15. Happy holidays from Pate Group. I'm going to take it down to 5. Happy holidays from Pate Group. I'm going to stop that from running through and then go ahead and hit publish. And so it's prepping the video. Now all of these recordings save as WebM files. If you want them to be MP4s, you actually need to do an additional step. So I'm going to show you that with the new Clipchamp, which is free. Be finished with this. This is officially done because I've published it. So it's ready to go. It is saved in my OneDrive. That's where these files get saved. I can download it from here. And if I open that location, I'm going to right click and I'm going to say Edit with Clipchamp. I can play it back.
Happy holidays from Paint.
And then maybe I want to do some further trimming inside here because it's doing something weird at the end. So maybe I'll trim it like to there, and then I'll go ahead and export this as an MP4. It tells you it's going to do an MP4, and I'll do it at 1080p for best look and feel. So it's doing that now, and it's got the file here. So I can open that up. And that's really how easy it is. Then you can, of course, name this file whatever you want and share it however you see fit. You can, of course, share your video files directly from Stream. You don't have to go through this extra step of opening it in Clipchamp if you don't want to. But if you wanted something that maybe you could upload to YouTube, maybe a company video that you want to share out on your company's YouTube channel, you could do that and get this in that MP4 format that makes it much easier to go ahead and upload to other systems. So play with this. This is a lot of fun and it's a great new option. And happy holidays.